Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic, in additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 29th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9502. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 17 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 17. But it's indicated with 4 stars by the publisher. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Let me see. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes then? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I see here one triple box. Cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 5 in the same area. So it can't be a 5 anymore. This box will be a 4 then. Okay, more triple boxes. Nope. How about quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Insufficient information right now. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. And this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? Let me check. Nope, only one. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Here, another one. But mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. More? Yeah, this one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Also connected with that box should be also a 5. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. I believe the Z or the S construction is missing here. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box, can it be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3? Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. One box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this quadra box, supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be so 1. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. So 1. Alright. Then, let me see. Let me go up. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left with 5 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so 3 is also connected with that box, so 3 is also connected with that box, will be also a 3. Well, then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. Well, I don't think it's a 4. If I place a 4 here, we need a 4 in this quadra box. Then if I place a 4 here, then these 2 boxes can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. So not a solution, place the 4, then this box should be a 2. That box should be a 4 then. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this quadra box should be here. Is connected with that box, should be so a 2. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 3 and 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in the 1 goes there. Well, then let me see. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. But also that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape supposed to be here. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 could be here, could be there then. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3 is connected with that box, so 2 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, let me mark those. 2 and 5. These 2 boxes can... wait. 2, 3. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1. Can it be 2? We have a double 2 there. Can be 3? Can be 4? Yes, definitely a 5 then. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box can be 3. This box can be 4. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 2. Double 3 we have here. That means that this box can be 3 and more. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright. Then let me think. 1, 2. This box can be 2. This box can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then, let me think. Let me think. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the only place left for 2 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright, we go there. Okay, 2 and a 5. I think this box should be a 5 because can it be a 1? Can be 2? Can be 3? Can be 4? Can be should be a 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then let me see. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape, supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this W area shape for the number 4. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, we solved it again, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes, so well, please read the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. We will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.